Hello everyone, I am Anumoy and you are watching my YouTube channel Anumoy Art Application. Today I will show you how to make ginger with watercolor. For that you will be require yellow ochre, brown, Prussian blue. Together for ginger, stepwise first tone, second tone, third tone I will show you. I will describe everything and little bit shadow part also will be there. For that will be require brown and Prussian blue. Okay, so you have to listen properly. I will explain everything slowly. I will show you step wise, and you hope you will enjoy this video. And thank you so much. So let's start the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, give your valuable comments in comment section. And if any other things you want to see, so please can write. You feel free to write anything in comments, so that for next video I will try to prepare for you. Thank you so much. So let's start. Okay, so here you can see this is the palette: yellow ochre, Prussian blue, brown sienna. Okay, yellow ochre, Prussian blue, brown sienna. First I will take little bit yellow ochre. Okay, I will prepare second tone. Three tone will be there: first tone, second tone, and third tone. So I will prepare second tone first. This is yellow ochre, little bit of brown I'm using here. Okay, little more require. So you can see the difference: yellow and that brownish yellow ochre, and little bit Prussian blue. Okay, little bit Prussian blue. So color is changes. Little bit brown, more brown I will take. Little more brown. Okay, so now color is ready. You can see the color difference. All color I'm showing you. This is second tone. Okay, this is second tone. So first tone, if I have to make, I will take little bit color from here. Over here I will take water. Okay, 80% water. Okay, 80% water. I'm mixing water. Should be light. Okay, now see here, I'm giving first tone first. Stroke is very important. See the stroke wise, pattern wise you have to give stroke everywhere. The ginger is not glossy, so everywhere you have to fill up, but stroke is very important, because whenever you will give the color, see dark light effect you will get. So that dark light effect, if you will not follow proper steps, that dark light effect also will be wrong. So for that things, proper way you have to use color. Slowly. See, if a little bit dark is there, let it be. Don't try to take color from there and for the another place. Take again and again color. Okay, again and again in same place. Don't use brush. Like this way, very slowly. Round wise I am giving. You just try to follow. Okay, see, I'm just giving the color. See, now last moment you can see over here dark tone over here, and the first one almost completed. So let it dark also, let it be. Now let it dry for a few minutes, at least 5 minutes. This part will not be white. This part you have to give more light. So more light for, I'll have to give a little bit more water, and it will be very light. You can see the very light effect like this on top effect, and few part will be white also over here. Okay, now let it dry for at least 10 minutes. Okay, dry for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's almost dry. Now I'll show you, before giving second tone here, I will show you shadow part. For shadow part, see, as you know already, that little bit brown, okay, little bit brown with water and little bit Prussian blue, brown and Prussian blue. Okay, Prussian blue, when you will take, be very careful because Prussian blue is very dark. So if you require little bit of colors, you have to be very careful. Okay, it's become brownish now. I will give little bit more blue, greenish, a little more blue, it will become blackish. Okay, see, now it's perfect. So this color I will give for shadow part. Okay, then I will give second tone over here. For shadow also, don't give color again and again in same place to avoid their lines and all this effect. It will look very bad. One time you try to give, only one time. See, enough color should be there in your brush so that it will be good, smooth and clear. Okay, the end drop, see this drop, let it be over here, huh? Let it be like this. Okay, now I'll go for the second tone of this ginger. So as you know, I already made second tone. I'm showing you again. This is the second tone, and first tone with the water is already also there. See, second tone now I'll use this one. Okay, so second tone I will use now. Be very careful, slowly you will do. You have to observe where the second tone, when you will see the original object. Okay, very carefully you have to do. See the lining pattern means the lining, strokes is very important for this ginger. Okay, sometimes fully dark. Very carefully you have to see my brushing also, not only color, my brushing also very important, that also you have to see. Okay, okay, slowly, very carefully. The brushing, why I'm telling again and again, see, round wise I'm using color, round wise brushing I'm using. Okay, little bit here you can give, not require much, but little bit. Okay, so let it dry. See here, it can be happen. See, the shadow color is going inside the second tone. Let it be, no problem. Don't panic if it will be happen. That is why I'm telling you, let it dry properly first. Actually, this is not dry properly, the shadow. That's why it's going inside. So no problem. I'll manage this, but you have to be careful because you will have enough time to do this. Okay, so let it dry again for 10 minutes. 10 minutes I am telling you, but if it will take more than 10, you give the time. Let it dry properly, then do it. Okay. Okay, so now it's almost dry. Now what I'll do, I will give second tone of the shadow first. So shadow, you already have seen this brown and blue. Okay, here I'll take little bit more brown and blue, because you know, for second tone, keep in your mind less water. So less water means color is already there. If I'll take little bit more color, it will be, you know, dark. Less water means dark. So here I have taken again brown and Prussian blue. Okay, you can see this color I will give now. Here for second tone of the shadow. Okay, okay, little. Be very careful when you give this. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Now, see, with the shadow second tone color, if you will mix brown, more brown, you will get third tone of ginger. So I will take little bit color over here and brown, so that if I mix these two color, okay, so I already see is there a little bit more yellow ochre you can take to make it a little bit hazy type. Okay, so understood. Brown, a little bit gray is shadow second tone. Okay, again I'm telling, again I'm repeating, shadow second tone with brown. Brown will be maximum, so we'll get that chocolate color, dairy milk. You know, dairy milk, you have seen that dairy milk color you will get. See, brush you can change. I am using the same brush, but you can change the brush. 6 and 2 you can use. This third tone part with 2, number 2 brush you can use, and the rest of the part, first tone, second tone, number 6 you can use. Okay, or if you can manage with the one number same brush, then that is depend on you. Okay, hope you understand. Very slowly and carefully you have to give color. To see the original object properly, I'm just showing you the example. That what color you will use. Okay, slowly it will be ready. Light and shadow part you have to see properly, which side light, which side will be the shadow. Obviously opposite of light will be shadow, so you have to keep in your mind. Shadow obviously try to give a okay. Done. Almost. Okay, it's almost done. Ginger is ready. So I will show you one more thing now. Just one more ginger is there. I will show you so that you can practice that also. Okay, here is there. So you can see, if I remove all this, so you can see one more ginger with garlic is there. Okay, so garlic not record right now. This also you can see, same thing. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please share my channel, subscribe my channel if you like it. Anything else you want to see, please write in a comment section. Thank you so much. We'll see you next video. Thank you.